Good morning friends, welcome to Daring Manara YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about reason for low exhaust temperature. We all know that during our daily engine room rounds, as a watchkeeping engineer, we need to check all the parameters, and among them exhaust temperature is also an important observation. It tells about the working of the engine and any possible deviation at any point. We can understand whether the temperature increases or decreases. But that means the exhaust temperature increases or decreases. We can understand what are the things that happening. Here we are discussing about the scenario is when the exhaust temperature is decreases, then what may be the reasons. So we divided them into two categories. That means we consider exhaust temperature of a particular unit decreases, then what may be the reason? If a particular unit exhaust temperature decreases, the reasons may be decrease of scavenging air temperature. Usually this happens for a particular period of time. Then automatically it will adjust and bypass and it will come to normal. Then when the exhaust temperature of any single unit fails, so if a single unit fails, air in fuel pumps and fuel valve may be the one of the reason, or fuel valve spindle sticking, fuel valve choke. Then suction valve in the fuel pump are getting defective, or fuel pump plunger getting sticking are the reason, or that puncture valve stuck to open condition. That means puncture valve is not unable to get opened; it gets stuck in the open condition. Then check that rack of the fuel pump is at place or not. We have to check that the rack of the fuel pump is at the correct place or not. So these are the conditions when exhaust temperature of any single unit falls. This exhaust temperature decreases. So thank you. We will be discussing about new topics soon.